Being a working mom, something that I found indispensable in order to keep my sanity in place was meal planning. I started meal planning only after the lockdown happened and the new culture of online schooling along with work from home emerged. Due to being so caught up in work at odd hours and unexpected calls or deliverables at times, I used to find myself juggling so much between work and the process of getting my son nutritious meals, especially during breakfast and evening snacks time. Often, while being caught up so much in work, in the evening time when I would just look up at the clock, I would realize that it's already the evening snacks time. So, I would just quickly take a break from work and look for something that's quickly available for my son to eat. I'm sure nobody loves to turn to unhealthy alternatives just because of lack of planning and time crunch. Obviously, nobody wants to give their child these kind of stuff every day, and the only healthy alternatives that are available quickly are fruits. Gladly, my son loves eating fruits, but is it really wise to give fruits to kids all the time? I mean, even if it's healthy, I believe it's not sufficient. And moreover, even if kids love having fruits, overexposure of fruits every now and then can definitely turn them away from fruits eventually. So to get rid of this never-ending battle in my own head and also to avoid giving junk food to my son every now and then, I decided to come up with a meal plan. Meal planning is pretty simple and it's definitely not as complicated or overwhelming as it sounds. Meal planning can be most efficiently done by starting with preparing a list of all the healthy meals that your children can have in breakfast and in evening snacks. So here I am preparing a list of all the healthy meals that I can give to my child as breakfast and also in evening snacks. Okay, now once you're ready with the healthy meals list, make a list of the occasional treats which may not be as healthy but not even as bad to have occasionally. Now as you're done with both the lists, just choose meals out of these lists to prepare a menu or a weekly meal plan for your child. Of course, you can use the same list for yourself as well. You can also include lunch and dinner meals in this plan, but as of now for me, just breakfast and evening snacks are challenging. Now I prepare my weekly meal plans every Sunday night, and since I already have a list of meals ready with me which my son loves to have, it hardly takes a couple of minutes for me to come up with an entire weekly meal plan every Sunday night. And as soon as I'm ready with the list, I put it up right there on my refrigerator so that it's right there in front of my eyes all the time, and I do not have to waste even a single more minute in thinking the most annoying question of my life, which is "Aaj kya banao?" What next to make. So yes, meal planning has definitely sorted my life so much, and it has actually helped me managing my time really well. Do let me know if you would like to see my weekly meal plans every week. I can definitely come up with a video every week for you, sharing my weekly meal plans. I would love to share it with you guys. And the next video that is going to come up on this channel would be about meal preparation. So this was about meal planning. This was about how exactly I plan weekly meals for my son for evening and morning, that is breakfast and evening snacks. And the next video that I'm going to upload would be about sharing with you guys how exactly I do the meal preparation. So do let me know in the comment section below if you liked this video, and if you did, also please do not forget to hit the like button. And if you've not subscribed to my channel so far, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon button so that you are notified each time I upload a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is given right there in the description box below for you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, see ya, and happy parenting to you.